Yeah, back.
Yeah, I thought he was gone for good too.
It's been 7 years.
You still pissed you must be you that time?
You.
Just saying.
Things have changed a lot since he left town.
That's for sure.
I gotta send a message of who's really in charge of things now.
Ooh.
Welcome home. I'm gonna make you wish that you stayed on. Say hello to a new status quo. Everyone knows that there's a brand new doctor on the TV. It's the top of the hour. What is your certain happens? We have to record 7-year absence. Did anybody miss it? Did anybody notice? More on tonight's program. So the radio demon is back in town. Why singing around? What does that mean for your family? Well, Hiddly, I've got good news. He's a loser, a fossil, and I don't mean it's hustle, but the demon is a coward. You can take that as gospel. Pulling my viewers impossible. I'm visual. He's barely audible. Stop giving him the time of day. Don't listen to word to say. How you play it nice to the gate. We should have stayed away. While he hid in radio, we pivoted to video. That was video is getting bloody well. It all's been better since he split. Where's he been? Who gives a
Salutations, good to be back on the air. Guessing it's been a while since our style street helped over broadcast television.
What a dated voice.
Yeah.
And our content a miracle video podcast is locked and secure for doing a lot. In between the satellite and nothing working.
Ignore his chirping.
Everything's got a format.
Not looking at the future. He's that comes before
And
that.
lots of strong as he purports to really based on his support. He'd be powerless without being alive.
Oh, please.
And here's a sugar on the cream. He asked me to do his team. I said no, and now he's pissy. That's the team.
Oh, Johnny, I'll show you something.
The team's buffering.
Show you.
Let's begin. I'm gonna make you wish that I stayed gone to not where